الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. Al-Alim. Allah has a knowledge of all things. Rabbin Beka Wahundati. Allah creating the heavens and the earth. Rabbin Samifdachi Isatu Umi. He creating all things that are in the heavens and the earth. One Uma Kesa Jiru. One Samifdachi Kesa Jirunda Uma Rabbi Rabbi to Orgamsis. Allah has a knowledge of everything. Rabbin Wahundalibik. He gives life in the casing it is. Isatu Jirum, Isatu Jirunama Frost, Isatu Namajirachis, Isatu Namajis, Isatu Duas He has a power over all things. Rabbi Wahundaratu, Isatu Angukam. In the first and in the last, Rabbin Ismatu Jalkabas Jiram. Bodati Saf. He has a knowledge of all things. Rabbin Biha Wahundati Wahundabi. He knows what goes into the earth. Walla fasina fi what comes out of it. Walla fasina fi walla about is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala qafatu bik. He is within his knowledge wherever we are. Rabbin wanti undimu bakfitu jirati bikum Rabbin khaysa jirti. Allah see what we do. Rabbin wanuti agar wanuti hujjan hundarka. Allah knows what is good for us and what is bad for us. Rabbu maqafatu bi khaman mufgaritati fi wan badati. He wants us to eat and drink things that are the best for our health. Rabbu matu bake nyata dugati fayakin yafgaritan. Allah providing the food and drink from the heavens and the earth. Rabbin nyata dugati la sami the children ken food and drink are gift from Allah. Nyata dugatin kinna rabbi ratan. The most food and drink are good for us. Nyanni bayin dugatin gare bayin sa nufgari such food and drink are permitting halal. Nyanni fi dugatin occasion halal jam. We should eat a good food. Nyata gari ya chukam. And thankful to isagalati fachuragam. If we are thankful to Allah, you Rabbi Gova. Garaton we increase his blessing for us. Rabbin Kenasa Nufdeval.